was an Innovation Fellow at the Stanford Biodesign Innovation Fellowship. My team and I worked on an unmet need in the reproductive health space. After the fellowship, we developed the Emme Smart Case, which is a technology that can be used to solve the medication adherence problem that women experience with birth control pills. We pursued a number of avenues in order to protect our company and our technology. We did file a utility patent application in order to protect the claims that we invented during our time at Stanford. But in addition to that, we pursued the routes of design patent, trade secret, as well as trademark. Our technology is a medication adherence device that women can use to actually track their birth control pills, and the data from our device syncs with our custom app in order to send custom and relevant reminders in order to improve adherence. The design of our product itself is very unique, and so we wanted to be sure to protect this proprietary design with a design patent. A design patent is a great option to consider when you want to protect the unique and proprietary elements of the design of your product. In order to file a design patent, you want to wait until you have the final version of the design that you know you'll commercialize, because the design patent is very much linked with the unique design that you file on. Once you have the design finalized, you can work with a design patent lawyer to establish the finalized drawings, put the patent application together, and then submit to USPTO. For the aspects of our technology which we don't protect with our design patent or our utility patent applications, we have also pursued trade secret. The process for trade secret is actually the opposite for the process of filing patents, because it all depends on keeping the secret within the company. Some examples of the aspects of our technology which are trade secret include the proprietary firmware, which achieves a unique Bluetooth connection with our product, as well as the data management systems and the algorithms that we've developed in order to provide unique health advice. So in order to protect these trade secrets, it's essential to keep it a secret, as I mentioned. And some of the things that you can do to make sure that you protect those secrets are to have strong confidentiality practices within your company, as well as being sure that any partner that you're working with signs an NDA, because it really is important for nobody at the company to disclose those unique elements of what you've built. We also decided to protect Emme with a trademark. And so there's a couple of key steps towards the process of actually filing for a trademark. The first is determining what classes your goods and services actually fall under. And so we worked with a trademark lawyer for that. Once we understood what classes we would even want to file the trademark in, we kicked off the process of choosing the company name. We worked with a design firm in order to brainstorm over 100 options for what the company name might be. We then took those options and ran them through a filter with our trademark lawyer to understand which of those options would actually be eligible for a trademark in the classes that we wanted to file. You can start this process yourself by searching at test2.uspto.gov in order to see what companies have already filed trademark and what might be available in certain classes. But for the final determination, it's really great to work with a trademark lawyer. And once we found that Emme was a name that was eligible in the classes that we wanted to file, we worked with that lawyer to file the trademark application. There are a number of options that you can consider when it comes to determining the best ways to protect your company and your technology. We talked about some of the options that we pursued at Emme, which includes not only the utility patent application, but also design patent applications, filing for a trademark, and being protective of trade secrets. When it comes to your unique technology or company, you really have to think creatively to figure out what would be the best options for you.